This is Tecno Spark 20 Pro, and today I will show how you can hard reset the smartphone through its recovery mode. So if you would like to remove the screen lock on your device, or perhaps just, wipe it clean and start with this phone in its brand new state, first you will need to switch it off or power it off by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 seconds. And here twice tap at the power off option twice. Once the device is shut down completely, you will need to simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons, and once you see the Tecno logo, let your finger off the power key but keep holding the volume up button, so it will look something like that. Now keep holding the volume up key. Once you see this no comment interface, you will need to do the following. Hold the power button and then press the volume up once. Here is the recovery menu or Android recovery mode. Use the volume rocker to navigate and press the power button to confirm. We are interested in the wipe data factory reset option, so select it, confirm, then confirm once again. And now simply wait for this procedure to be finished. As you can see, the data wipe has been completed successfully. Now we can reboot the system and get ourselves into the phone setup interface. So let's wait. So as you can see, the factory or hard reset procedure is finished now, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.